Hello dear students. So probability today lecture 5. So in the previous class we discussed the formula. On the basis of that formula only today also we will continue. In the previous class we discussed what is the mean formula. Mean formula equal to NP. The mean formula is NP. Next one is the variance. So what is the variance formula? The variance formula is NPQ. Yesterday we discussed also. And standard deviation formula is square root of variance. So here mean, or we can say this is called expectation. Both also same, expectation and mean both also same meaning. Variance in this one. So this mean or expectation is denoted by this letters M or E of x, and variance means it is denoted by sigma square, and standard deviation is denoted by sigma. So these also so many times in competitive exam will ask with the symbols instead of writing the mean, variance and standard deviation. So today is the class completely we discuss about the mean, variance, standard deviation using this formulas. So mean equal to NP, variance equal to NP. So here one very important point is this mean or variance, either mean or variance or standard deviation, whatever is there. So these, especially mean and variance, I am going to tell. The mean and variance always positive, always positive greater than 1, greater than 0, sorry. That means mean and variance both also positive, is greater than 0. And first variance is smaller than the mean. This is a very important point, a very important point. Once again I am repeating children. So mean and variance both also positive numbers, means greater than 0. And when comparing with between the mean and variance, the mean is greater than the variance. Means mean is the bigger. When comparing with mean, variance is a little bit of smaller, and these two also opposite greater than 0. Suppose in case if variance is equal to mean, then the distribution is called Poisson's distribution. That is called Poisson's distribution. So Poisson distribution means it is nothing but when variance equal to mean, then it is called the Poisson's distribution. Here for the Poisson distribution also one formula is there. What is the formula? Means P of x equal to r equal to. The formula is e to the power of minus m by n to the power of r by r factorial. This is the formula. So this is the, when we will use the Poisson distribution is nothing but when the variance, generally in this probability distribution variance is smaller than the mean. Only in particular case when this variance equal to mean, then the distribution is called the Poisson distribution. So the Poisson distribution formula is e power minus m. Here m is nothing but mean. So e power minus m into m power r by r factorial. Okay, children. Now, so this is very important because in JEE Mains 2006 2007, consecutive 2 years they asked the questions on the Poisson distribution only. But all these are not in your textbook. So this is not the theory syllabus. This one is not there in theory. Only for JEE Mains I am going to explain this point. So please kindly note it all this one. So compulsory variance and mean both must be positive, and comparing with the mean, variance is little bit smaller. Suppose if variance and mean both are same, then the distribution is called the Poisson distribution. Here m means mean, r means which one we have to find, that is called the r. So today we will discuss on this model the questions. The question is, first question is mean and standard deviation. Mean and standard deviation is 20 and 4 respectively. Then the number of events. This is the number of events. So children, here he given mean, given standard deviation. So mean value is a mean and standard deviations are 20 and 4 he given. He is asking number of events means n value. So we know it. Mean is nothing but NP. Mean means NP. NP equal to 20. Mean is nothing but NP. Then standard deviation. Standard deviation means the formula is square root of variance. So square root of variance, because of that T given, standard deviation is given. So standard deviation is equal to 4. So standard deviation means square root of variance. Square root of variance equal to 4. But I want only variance, so squaring on both sides, then what happened? Variance equal to 4 square. 4 square means 16. Secondary root enough. So to remove the root, we have to squaring on both sides. So what is the variance formula? The variance formula is NPQ. NPQ equal to 16. So this is the second equation. So here mean means NP, variance means NPQ. He given standard deviation from this idea. Now we will divide the second equation by first equation. Second equation is NPQ, first equation is NP. So NPQ value is 16 by 20. So NP cancel, we can cancel with the 4 table. 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. So what is the Q value? Q value is 4 by 5. Now we got it the Q value. Next we have to find the P value. From the Q very easy to find. So what is the P? Already we used day before yesterday class. 1 minus Q. P is nothing but 1 minus Q. So 1 minus Q means 1 minus 4 by 5. Here what is the LCM? 5 is the LCM. 5 ones are 5, 5 minus 4, 1. So now I came to know here P value. P value is 1 by 5 and Q value is nothing but 4 by 5. Notice here second equation, NP means mean. Mean equal to 20. He given mean. Mean is nothing but NP. NP equal to 20. Standard deviation given. Standard deviation formula square root of variance. To remove this root, squaring on both sides, then variance equal to 4 square is the 16. Variance formula NPQ. Dividing of second equation by first equation, we got it the Q value. So from the Q we can find the P value. What is the P value? P is equal to 1 minus Q. 1 minus Q is Q value. So I got it P value, Q value. But he is asking number of events. Number of events means N value we want. You can substitute either in first equation or second equation. You will get the same answer. So generally we substitute in the first equation, very easy to solve it. So N means you don't know, but P means no. 1 by 5 is equal to 20. Then what is N? N is equal to 2 cylinders are 2 5s are 10. So what is the N value? N equal to 100. In this manner, we will find out the values. Okay. Now we will go to the another question on this model. The next question is mean and variance. Mean and variance are 3 and 3 by 2. Then number of trials. Number of trials is. Children, here he given mean value. Mean value is 3 and variance value is 3 by 2. So what is mean? Mean means we know NP. NP equal to 3 first equation. Variance means NPQ. This is called variance. So NPQ equal to what is the value? 3 by 2. This is the second equation. We know it second equation by first equation. Right? Just now we did it. So NPQ by NP is equal to 3 by 2 by 3. Nothing is there means by 1 is there. NP is cancelled. Then here 3 also will get cancelled. What is the Q value? Q value is 1 by 2. Q value is 1 by 2. Yakandra 3 by 1 is nothing but 1 by 3. 3 cancel. And Q value is 1 by 2. Then we have to find the P value. What is the p value? 1 minus q. So if you substituted in the formula 1 minus 1 by 2, it is nothing but what is the p value? P value also 1 by 2. Now I got it the q value and I got it the p value. So p is equal to 1 minus q, that is 1 minus 1 by 2. Now we have to substitute either in first equation or in the second equation. So generally we substitute in first, it is easy to solve. N don't know, but p value is 1 by 2 equal to 3. Then what is the n value? N equal to 3, 2 3s are 6. So what is the n? He is asking number of trials. So what is the number of trials? The number of trials n is equal to 6. This is the answer. In this manner we will find out. Now we will go to the other question. The next question is mean and variance are, next question, mean and variance are 2 and 1 respectively. Probability that x takes a value greater than 0 is this is the question. See, same story. Here he given mean is given, next one is the variance is given. Mean and variance both he given, mean and variance. And is asking probability, we have to find the probability that x value given takes a value greater than 0. So first of all let it be, whatever is there, first we will take mean. Mean means NP. NP equal to 2 first equation, and variance means NPQ equal to 1. Second equation we know it, second equation by first equation, the second equation is NPQ by NP is equal to 1 by 2. NP cancel, Q is equal to 1 by 2 and P is equal to, we know it, 1 by 2. Why? Because P is equal to 1 minus Q na, just go we did. So Q value gottaitri, P value gottaitri. Now I want N value, substitute in the first equation. So from the first equation, N gottilla, but P value is 1 by 2 is equal to 2. So if you did the cross multiplication, 2 2s are 4. Now I came to know N value and P value and Q value. Everything is ready. N, P, Q is ready. Now he is asking, now come to the point. Probability that x takes a value greater than 0. That means probability of x means P of x. Probability that x means P of x takes a value greater than 0. Greater than means like this. P of x is greater than 0. Now he is asking the value probability of x greater than 0. So greater than 0 means what is the meaning? The meaning is P of x is equal to 1 plus P of x is equal to 2 plus up to so on. Up to so on, n value is 4 enough. Then P of x is equal to 3 and P of x equal to 4. This is the procedure. He is asking find the probability. Probability means P. Probability that x, P of x greater than 0 means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So here 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Finding these 4 unknown values will take more time. We can, but it is more time. Competitive examiner, we have to make it shorter as early as possible. We have to finish the answer. So this is the lengthy one. Then what is the easy one? Already in the previous class we discussed. P of x equal to 0, P of x equal to 1 plus up to so on, P of x equal to 4 is equal to. So children, always remember the probability of sum of the events. The probability of sum of the all events is must be equal to 1. Is must be equal to 1. So using this formula, we want the values from P of x equal to 1 to P of x equal to 4. These values we have to find. These values. So these values finding is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 unknown values finding is too difficult. The easy method is I want these values. So So this whatever this value is there, na, this one you send that side. If you send that side, then what is the answer? P of x equal to 1 plus P of x equal to 2 plus P of x equal to 3 and plus P of x equal to 4 is equal to 1 minus this term. If you send that side, 1 minus P of x equal to 0. That means 1 minus. So what is the P of x equal to 0 formula? We know it. The formula is NCR P to the power of R Q to the power of n minus R. This is the formula. NCR P to the power of R Q to the power of R. N means value 4 because n value is 4. C R means R value is 0 because here x equal to 0 so that is the R value. N equal to 4, the formula is 1 means 1, minus means minus. This one no problem. P of x equal to 0 formula is NCR P to the power of R Q to the power of n minus R. Here n means 4, C, R means 0. P, what is the P value? 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 whole to the power of R means 0. Q means 1 by 2 whole to the power of 4 minus 0. So children, 4 C0, C0 value 1 into any number power 0, any number power 0, its value also 1 into 1 by 2 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 4 means 16. So what is the final answer? 4C0 means C0 value always 1, any number power 0 its value 1 by 2 4 minus 0 means 4, 1 by 2 whole power 4 means 2 power 4 means 16. So here finally the answer is 1 minus 1 by 16. 1 into 1 into this one this. So what is the LCM? 16. 16 1 is 16, 16 minus 1 is the 15. So what is the answer? So the answer is 15 by 16. He asked the probability that x takes a value greater than 0. So x takes the value greater than 0. Answer is 15 by 6. This is 2008 JEE Mains exam asked question. Very important question. So many times asked in JEE Mains 2000 asked. Now we will go to the next question. Next one is on the same model, mean and variance are 2 and 4 by 3. Then the value of P of x equal to 0 is P of x equal to 0. This is the question children. So mean value is given. What is the mean value? Mean equal to 2. Mean means NP equal to 2. Today all some same model. Next one variance. Variance means NPQ is equal to 4 by 3 second equation. Now second equation by first equation. NPQ by NP. NPQ by NP equal to 4 by 3 by 2. Nothing is there means by 1. NP cancel, 2 times cancel, then what is the Q value? Q value is 2 by 3. From this we can find the P value. What is the P value? 1 minus Q. So 1 minus 2 by 3, the answer is 3 is the LCM, 3 ones are 3, 3 minus 2 is the 1. So my dear children, now I know P value, I know Q value, we have to find the N value substituting in the first equation. This is the first equation. In this equation, if you substitute N means don't know, but P means 1 by 3 is equal to 2. Then we will do the cross multiplication. N equal to 3 2s are 6. So, my dear children, with me, what are the information is there? N value is there. N equal to 6, P equal to 1 by 3, and Q equal to 2 by 3. So everything is ready. Now he is asking P of x equal to 0. What is the formula? Formula is r p to the power of r q to the power of n minus r. This is the formula. So n means 6, c 0. He is asking x is equal to 0. X equal to 0. P means 1 by 3 whole to the power of r means 0. Q means 2 by 3 whole to the power of 6 minus 6 is 0 means C0 its value 1. Always I say that C0 value is 1. And next one is any number power 0. Any number power 0 its value also 1. So this is the value is 1. Any number power 0 its value also 1. And 2 by 3 whole to the power of 6 minus 0 means 6. 1 into 1 1. 1 into means so finally answer 2 power 6 means 64 by 3 power 6. 3 power 6 means 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 into 27. So 27 into 27, 7 7s are 49, 7 2s are 14, 189, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. 9 into 12 is 728. So what is the answer? The answer is 64 by 729. So this is the manner like same up to here is same. He is asking p of x equal to 0 and substituting in the formula. So the answer is 64 by 729. So that's it. Now next question will go on this model is say mean and standard deviation is given. Mean and standard deviation given. The next question is mean and standard deviation. SD means standard deviation. Mean and standard deviations are 10 and 2 respectively. 10 and 2 respectively. Now, mean and standard deviation are 10 and 2 respectively. Then the value of q is, that's it. Simply given the question, the value of q is. Student, maximum times in CET it is asking on this model JEE Mains and CET. So come to the point here, mean and standard deviation given and find the value of q. So mean means NP equal to 10 first equation. Standard deviation is given. Standard deviation is square root of variance. Square root of here he given standard deviation. So here I am writing standard deviation equal to 2. Standard deviation is square root of variance. So square root of variance equal to 2. Then squaring on both sides. Then what happened? Variance equal to 2 square. 2 square means 4. What is the variance formula? Variance means NPQ equal to 4. This is the second equation. Now as usual the second equation by first equation. The second equation is NPQ by first equation is NP is equal to NPQ means 4, NP is 10. NP cancel, 2 2s are 2 5s are. So finally we got it the Q value. What is the Q value? The Q value is 2 by 5. In this manner we will find out the Q value. Next one is the next question is a dice is tossed 5 times, getting an odd number. Getting an odd number. Getting an odd number is considered success. Then the variance of distribution distribution of number of success is, this is the question. Children, see the question now, a little bit of bigger one. This is the recently 2006 in JEE Mains asked this one. A dice or die anything, okay, a die is tossed 5 times. So n is equal to, find here he given the condition, he given the information, n is equal to 5. Next, getting an odd number considered as a success. We know its success is nothing but p. So getting the odd number on die. The meaning is odd number on die. So die means how many sides are there? Totally 6 sides are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So odd number. What is the odd number? 1, 3, 5 is the odd numbers on that. That means we can write what is the probability of success? 1, 2, 3. 3 sides out of die means 6 sides are there. My dear students, a die is tossed 5 times, means n equal to 5. He said getting odd number is considered success. Success means always p. P means odd number on the die. What are the odd number? 1, 3, 5 is the odd number on the die. Then what happened? 1, 2, 3. 3 numbers out of 6. So 3 ones are, 3 twos are. So my dear students, what is the p value? P equal to 1 by 2. P value is 1 by 2. From this, also we can find out the q value. What is the formula? Q is equal to 1 minus p. That means if you substituted 1 minus 1 by 2, then what is the q value? Q value equal to 1. Now, you know p value, you know q value, and already he given n value. Now, what is asking? Then the variance of the distribution of number of success is. So, he is asking variance. So, what is the variance formula? The variance formula is NPQ. So, n means 5 and p means 1 by 2, q means 1 by 2. Because of that 5 is given enough, n is equal to 5, p 1 by 2, q 1 by 2. If you multiply 5 by 2 2s are 4. So, what is the variance? The variance of this is asking, then the variance of distribution of number of success is 5 by 4. This is the manner. In this manner we do the sum. Now, the next question. Yes. The last question is mean and variance are 4 and 2 respectively. 4 and 2 respectively. Then the probability of 2 success is. This is the question. So how to do this one? He said that one mean and variance are given. Mean is given. What is the mean? Mean is nothing but NP. NP equal to 4 first equation. Next variance is given. Variance means NPQ equal to 2. This is the second equation. As is one. Today all sums are same model. So NPQ by NP. NPQ means 2 by 4. NP cancel. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So what is the Q value? Q value is 1 by 2. You know Q, you can find P. P is equal to 1 minus 2. So 1 minus 2 means 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 is nothing but the P value also 1 by 2. Now, I know P value, I know Q value. Just now we have to find the N value. Same story. So from the first equation, you can put in the first equation in the place of n don't know. But P value we know it. What is the P value? 1 by 2 is equal to 4. If you will do the cross multiplication, n equal to 8. Now, I know the n value, I know P value, I know Q value. He is asking that the probability of 2 success. He is asking then the probability of 2 success. 2 success means P of x equal to 2. 2 whole to the power of r means 2, q also 1 by 2, p 1 by 2, q 1 by 2, and n value is 4. So n minus r means 8 minus 2. It is nothing but 8c2 1 by 2 whole to the power of 8 minus 2 means 6. Children, listen carefully here. Bases are same, a power m into a power n. Formula a power m plus n, because this is 1 by 2, this one also 1 by 2. A power m into a power n formula is a power m plus n. So minus 2 plus 2 is cancelled. Then 8c2 value is nothing but 8 into 7 by 2 into 1. 8c2 means this one. And 1 by 2 whole power 8 means 2 power 8 means 2 into like this we have to multiply. I think 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 16 16s are 256. So this is the value of 256. If it is possible, you can cancel it also. So here 2 table will cancel, 2 4 times cancel, and 4 also will cancel. 4 6 are 24 and 4 4s are 16. So what is the final answer? The answer is 7 by 64. This is the manner. He given mean and variance is given. He is asking then the probability of 2 success. 2 success means this is the. So my dear children, these are for today class. Thank you.